First of all, roti is like one of my favorite things. I've never tried this. I'm actually a little bit concerned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another mukbang. So today we are eating Trinidadian food. So if you guys would like to have your dinner with me and just hang out with me for a little bit, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and let's get right into the video. Alright you guys, so Trinidadian food was actually highly requested from a lot of you guys, so I'm here to do the mukbang. Also, one of you guys corrected me and said that it's called mukbang, but I don't know if I'm going to start saying that because I'm so used to saying mukbang, so yeah. So Trinidadian food I'm actually pretty familiar with because my boyfriend is from Trinidad, his family's from Trinidad, so I've eaten most of the things on this table. So I have two drinks. This is peanut punch and this is MAUBY. I have doubles, I have curry chicken roti, and I have PHOLOURIE, I have aloo pie, I have basapsha and roti skin, and then I have a bunch of like snacks and like treats from Trinidad. So you guys, this is like my favorite thing ever. Like curry chicken roti is like my favorite thing ever. It's just I'm gonna start off with some MAUBY. I actually tasted this and honestly I feel like my grandma made something similar to this before. I've definitely had something like this before. As I said, I had most of these things before. The only thing I don't think I'm familiar with is the aloo pie. But then after that, I think I'm familiar with everything else. So I'm gonna start off with my curry chicken roti because it's like my favorite thing ever. Actually gonna cut this right in the middle and stuff. This is the good stuff, okay? I crave this like at least once a month. Look at how delicious that is. So I'm gonna eat a little bit and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about some updates because obviously I haven't been uploading as often. So let's go. You guys, first of all, roti is like one of my favorite things. I can eat it with everything. I've had peanut punch, I've tasted it. It honestly reminds me of like a regular peanut butter like milkshake, but like better quality. It's not just like a peanut butter milkshake, you know what I mean? I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter, but I do like how this tastes. But I wouldn't drink it all the time because I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter. But it's really good, honestly. It's like, it's just really like rich in flavor. This has bones in it and I actually like that for some reason because it's like juicier. I don't think I've ever tasted it without bones, but my boyfriend doesn't like the one without bones. He says it's just not as good. I've never tasted it without bones, but I actually like having the bones in here. Like all the flavor is just so good it doesn't make sense. If I eat that whole half, I'm not gonna get to everything else, and I really want to dabble. So I'm going for the doubles now. I really like doubles. It's really good to me. Like, how good does that look? I'm a huge fan of chickpeas. I love chickpeas. So anything with chickpeas. Also, I am gonna go back and start leaving the names of the restaurants that I get the food from. I know I only did it for the Jamaican food mukbang because the food was just so good that I was like, I have to let you guys know. But I saw a lot of you guys requesting it for the Haitian mukbang as well. So I'm gonna go back and even in this video, I'm gonna put where I got everything from. So for those of you that live in New York or Brooklyn, more specifically, you guys can pick up some good food because honestly, everything I've eaten in every one of my mukbangs have been so freaking good. So good. All right. So, I have some updates for you guys. I don't know if you have to have my notifications on for you to know that I post in my community tab sometimes here on YouTube. But I did post, I think, like 2 weeks ago, that I'm taking a break from wine chat. I'm still gonna not be doing wine chat for a while, but I am gonna do videos and I'm gonna try to do every day. But honestly, I can't promise that right now just because the last 2 weeks have been a little bit crazy for me. I don't know if I fully feel comfortable talking about everything because I kind of still feel like I'm in my healing process, so yeah. I'm actually gonna go in for the regular, like just the roti skin. I don't have any like curry to dip it in, but honestly, I'm glad I have this because I said I like to eat roti with everything. So it's just roti skin. I just love how like floury it is and how many layers it has and how... About 2 weeks ago, actually today, when I'm filming this, is actually exactly 2 weeks. I had like a series of like panic attacks. I tweeted about it and said that I wasn't gonna have a video up for that Wednesday, and that's when I decided to post about taking the break of on Wine Chat Wednesday. Yeah, try not to like think about it too much. But so since then, it's kind of been happening on and off, and it's like really nothing is necessarily like triggering me as of right now. It's just like happened. It hasn't for like the past couple of days, so I've been doing a lot better, but that's never ever happened to me like before. I usually always knew what was going on, you know what I mean? Like I kind of always like stayed in tune. This is so good. I might make a separate video to really talk about it because I don't want to go too deeply into it right now because I want to enjoy my food, you know. I don't want to talk about that type of stuff right now. What I will say is that I was having a tough time. I was preaching something that I wasn't actually doing, which a lot of us do. I really wasn't taking care of myself, and I understand why I kind of like gave up on myself and stuff. You know, I went through something that was very traumatic for me as a person and how I've grown up and stuff. So like losing someone really like messed me up, and I can again make a whole nother video on that because I've completely studied on how and why it got this far. So I'm just gonna try the bust up shut. Again, I don't have anything to like pair it with, but I can honestly just eat this like just like that. Right now, for like cultural purposes of the whole entire mukbang and stuff, that's why I decided to include them and taste them. So good. I'm gonna go back to my curry chicken roti real quick. That's why I didn't want to talk, because this food is just so good. Too good to talk. I'm gonna go for the PHOLOURIE now. A big change that I made is that I gave up coffee. I'm so not happy about that, but obviously caffeine makes anxiety worse, and I've always known that, and I was fine with coffee for a while until I started getting panic attacks. Hold on. Honestly, I feel like Trinidadian food is top 10 on my list. Maybe even top 5. If you guys never had Trinidadian food, you should try it. I really like it. Oh my god. It's just the flavor, like, there's so much flavor. And I'm a saucy type of person. I like a lot of sauce in my food. It speaks to me. Health is wealth, you guys. Like, I don't know if nobody ever told you that before, if you never heard that before, but health is wealth, and nothing is worth you giving up on yourself. And I'm still trying to like not convince myself. I'm still trying to like learn and really take that in. Like, nothing is worth giving up. I don't want to make this video sad because this food is so good. This food is bomb. Bomb.com. I'm going for the aloe pie now. All the spices in Trinidadian food, it's just absolutely delicious. And also, I think it has the same kind of filling. I've never had this before. Oh, as always, oh my gosh, should have put this in the beginning of the video. If I pronounce anything wrong, Just let me know in the comments down below. I'm okay with being corrected on whatever. And if you recommend any other dishes from Trinidad, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always down to try new things, as you can see. You know the food is good when you just want to sing to it. I'm so rusty with my videos right now. I really want to tell you guys, thank you so much for you guys being patient with me and everything and understanding me, even though you might not know exactly what's going on right now. I appreciate you guys being patient and stuff. I'm just so grateful, honestly, to know all of you guys, even if it's through the camera and stuff. And that's something I definitely want to get better at, is like interacting with you guys a lot more. I usually do reply to you guys' comments on all of my videos. I don't go back too often to like older videos, but I do put time aside to actually go through you guys' comments and stuff. So now I'm just gonna taste these peanuts. They are like seasoned with peanut oil and salt, but this is a common treat or snack, not treat. It's like a common snack. I've had it before. So honestly, there's a lot of things I love about Trinidadian food or Trinidadian cuisine, but one of the most important things is the flavor and everything, like just in peanuts and stuff. Like there's flavor in everything, all about that flavor. So the next thing I'm gonna try is kurma, and this is another snack. I'm just gonna be trying the snacks because I've had most of these before. Well, not most of them, but I'm just gonna be trying it because I do want to go back and finish my food. Well, not all of it, but some of it. Oh, and this is made with real ginger. I love ginger. This is red mango, and it says, looks like this. I've been seeing a bunch of requests for different cuisines, and that makes me so excited. I really enjoy doing these because it's just learning, like you can learn about a culture through their food. I feel like food is like the most, I don't know what word I'm looking for, but it's the easiest way to learn about someone's culture and stuff and to get familiar with it. I've never tried this. I'm actually a little bit concerned. Oh, that smells weird. I smelled that before. I've had this before. I'm not gonna eat more of this because it's really sour, but I feel like I've had that before now. Maybe I have. Oh gosh, I'm not thinking of that, of course. I've tried this actually just not too long ago. Well, I've eaten this before. This is just a caramel wafer biscuit. Okay, so I'm gonna try, well, I'm gonna do the spicy tamarind balls. I've had these, not this particular brand. These are Jazzy's, but I've had tamarind balls before. The sour one is a little bit much, but I like the sweet tamarind. And I think I've had the spicy one in particular too. Maybe I haven't. Hopefully it's not too spicy. Tamarind is yummy though. I don't remember ever trying the spicy ones. That's good. That is really good. The ones I've had is not that big though. It's like smaller, and I forgot what pack it comes in. But I'm gonna do these ones because I've never tried these. So this one is sweet plums. And then this one is Amchar plums. I'm probably not saying that correctly. This one looks really like, is this spicy? It looks really seasoned. This is interesting. It's really hard. It's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna try the sweet plums now. These are softer. I'd have to say that I think for the plums is like it has to be an acquired taste, because off the bat it just kind of tastes a little bit just different, you know? I've never had it, but honestly, it has to be an acquired taste because just the texture. I like it though. I like both of them, but I like the sweet plum better. So now I'm gonna go for the chickpeas or chana, and these are also spicy, and they are also by Jazzy's. So I have actually eaten this before, not from this brand. Again, I love me some chickpeas. Now this is more like my kind of snack. The plums, I'm not too sure of, as well as the red mango. Not too sure of those three, but everything else, A1. But I do like the sweet plums though. All right, you guys, this food hit. Honestly, this is the first time I actually almost finished a lot. Well, it doesn't look like I almost finished a lot, but you have to remember, I have multiple dishes on the table. I know some of you actually, like in one of my videos, you guys expected me to eat everything on the table. Like, you know how small I am? I eat, but not like this much, especially not all at once. Trinidadian food is always a go, you guys. If you've never had Trinidadian food, you have to try it. I just want to go to bed and I feel like I'm asleep like a baby. It's honestly one of my favorite cuisines. So when you guys requested, I was like, hell yeah, I can do Trinidadian food. If you've never tried anything, then I'll probably recommend you first try the curry chicken roti. That's like my favorite thing. Like when I first had it, it was like, I haven't been eating this my whole entire life. What? Why? It's so good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. Let me know in the comments down below what other cuisines you'd want me to eat and do a mukbang on or try. I just love doing these, and I'm honestly excited, just as you are. So thank you guys. For those of you that requested Trinidadian food, thank you guys so freaking much because you were looking out for me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!